This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below.
Morning guys, January 3rd, 2019. This one here I got a call for a heating system, a boiler. Not circulating the water. Not getting the heat up into the radiators, so might be a feeder problem, might be a circulator, might be air in the system. I'm on my way. I'm supposed to meet the guy there. He's coming home from work, so he might be a bird dogger. Oh yeah, next level. He might be a bird dogger. I think he might be a bird dogger. Oh yeah, I know it. Yeah, we love bird doggers. Oh yeah, we love bird doggers. Love bird doggers. We love them bird doggers. Oh yeah, we do. We love them. Yeah, we love bird doggers. They got no water pressure. It's got it off there.
Yeah.
So you've been trying to bleed it?
I was trying to bleed this one here.
You got the flipping. How come that's off? Turn that on.
I never even touched that.
Turn it on.
That's been off.
You got no water flow. Nothing. That's odd. Was it getting water flow through the system?
Yeah, because this flow would work and the main flow would work.
Okay, so you got zone valve, so maybe you got a problem with the zone valve.
Yeah.
So which one you having a problem with?
Oh, it was this one here.
Second floor.
Yeah. Because one room was getting
Oh, it's nice and hot now, guy.
and one room wasn't, so I'm like, oh,
It's probably just airbound.
yeah.
Circulate. Do you have the thermostat? Or you got it off right now.
Yeah, it's off. I'm sure it'll probably come on.
Might have a bad feeder. I mean, unless that gauge isn't working.
Yeah.
You were trying to purge it and it didn't work?
Yeah, it's
Is there a place I could drain water, or I got to drain outside?
Oh, you can drain it right into that hole because it goes into the septic, not the septic, sump
All right,
pump I have.
let me get a hose.
I
We'll
have
try it. So is the second floor you having a problem with?
Yep.
Now go upstairs and turn the thermostat up. Is that the second floor zone there? Or you're not sure?
I'm not sure which one that one is.
That could be the problem, right? There's zone valve there. These other ones are what, old cast iron radiators you got upstairs?
Yes. Yep.
Go turn up the thermostat upstairs. The one upstairs.
So on the top floor or just the one above us?
The one you're having a problem with.
All right.
The other ones you're okay with?
Yeah. They
Okay.
were okay. Yep.
All right, turn up the one you're having a problem with. Could be that zone head. I don't know why that valve was off. We'll have to see. Maybe this tank is another shit show. It's full of water. Sure sounds like it. That's why the valve was off, betcha. There's water in it. It's got water in it. It's no good. There's no air in it. The tank's no good. That's one thing that's going to be changed right off the bat. See the flipping thing? Okay, so what's the problem is, first of all, this tank is no good. And see the relief valve blowing now?
Yeah.
See it?
Yep. Yeah, I just moved here a couple
Alright,
months
so
ago.
that's the first thing we got to do. Circulator's working. Alright, so the first thing we got to do is drain it and change that.
Okay.
Because that's an issue.
Alright.
You said that hose works if I drain it right there?
Yep, drain right into that hole. Yep.
What a flippin' shit show, huh?
Yeah.
That's what I say. Well, look at a valve
So I don't
here.
know the last time it's been serviced.
All right, so yeah, that's a when you heat water, it expands. If that tank's full of water, it's no good. It's got to be changed because if not, that's why they had that off.
Okay.
All right, so shut all these returns off. We got 3 returns. Got all the returns off. We got the feeder off. We got the supply off. We can just drain a little bit out. Drain a little bit out of here. We could change that tank and then get started again. So we'll put a new tank in there. We'll put a new relief valve in there. Had a hard time getting the other tank out, but I got it out. So let's got it draining into a pit over there. I'm gonna move it and try to purge it. Purge that second floor. There's the second. So this is first. And then this one here says I don't know if there's even a pin in this thing. Yeah, there's a pin in it. It don't seem to be working so kosher. We'll see if we get any flow through it. Definitely got air in it. It's going in a pit down there. We'll probably do this one too. First floor's all cast iron baseboard. Oh yeah, she definitely got air in it. I did bypass the head, the zone head. I don't know if there's any more or not. This goes that way. I don't know where it goes. Yeah. So you got it pulled down?
Yep.
Leave that one alone, the big one, because that goes to the first floor, right?
Yeah.
So I got the third floor and the second floor. So that bypasses that zone head.
Okay.
I'm doing the third floor. It says third floor. Is that the one they're having a problem with?
That one says basement.
That's the basement?
Yeah. This one, the second floor. That's the one.
Okay, the only problem with that is there's two lines going upstairs, and there's only one return, so. All right, so that one seems to be okay. That's just the basement.
Yeah.
All right, so go reinstall that zone head, and then we'll try it. We'll see if it works. All right, so open up all the returns.
Okay, so they go up.
Yeah, so that one's calling. See, this is the one, the second floor that's calling. See how it comes down easy?
Yeah.
So that is calling. So let's see if it heats up. 1 inch. We should be coming back with 2 3/4 somewhere.
Yeah.
See if we can find out where them go. Might be 2 purge stations. I mean, you gotta have it so it
Take
works.
these down?
You can, so we can see. They must have just sold a house, throw all that shit up so they can sell it.
Yeah.
That's how they do stuff. You gotta do both 3/4. You can't just do the 1 inch and hold both 3/4 purge. You understand?
Yeah.
That's not how it works.
3/4 go?
This one goes right here, and then into this.
Oh, it goes into that big ass one.
Yeah.
Holy shit!
So that goes.
Work? That zone that you're talking
Yeah,
about?
it worked in one bedroom, but not the other.
Never worked in the other bedroom.
Nope.
Never.
Well, I've only been here a couple months, so I don't know.
Okay, well,
Get it marked wrong. I mean, there's a lot of air in there. So this should be second.
Okay.
Because this goes up to the 2 3/4.
Yep.
But where these two go, there should be two separate purge stations. We might have to put them in.
Okay.
Let's see it. Let's see if it works. If it don't work, I might have to put a couple of purge stations in there. But well, it's a crazy amount of air. As long as it works. Yeah, so I think that this is the second floor because you're saying you got all cast iron baseboard.
Yeah.
And then that would be the supply to return for the first.
Yep.
So that one is this one.
Okay.
So I'll remark them.
Yep.
We'll be able to tell because you got what thermostat you got calling? Just the second floor?
Just
Turn all the other ones down.
yeah.
The cast iron baseboard has to be bled at the baseboard.
Yeah.
The little bleeders.
I was
Yeah.
doing.
Alright, so we got a new relief valve here. A new expansion tank. And we did purge these zones. Second floor, the one he was complaining about. Second floor's coming back hot here to return. And the other loop is here. I was lucky to be able to purge it with this, the way this is set up. And we restored the zone heads. So he's got heat now. And then that's the basement. So it's up and running. I just gotta pick up my tools and put a tag on here and I'm done. I had to tighten up that packing nut. Thing was leaking all over the place. I think I got it though. It's not leaking anymore. I think it was loose as a goose, mama. All cast iron baseboard. Alright, I think I got it. I think I should have got some shots. The thing was really loose. Tighten that packing nut up there. With this wrench. It's kind of panicking there for a minute. What do you want the heat set at?
65 is good.
Alright, I was able to tighten up that packing nut and 65. It's not leaking now. You know, if it starts leaking in the future, you know, I got no guarantees that thing's how long it's gonna last for.
Right.
It's not leaking now. Go take a look. I mean, I tightened the packing nut up probably like 3-4 turns. I mean, it was loose. Look at it good. You know.
Yep.
I mean, the thing lets loose in the future. It's not my responsibility.
Right. No, I understand. Yeah, it's not nothing coming out.
Yeah, so it's there should be a radiator key on this end here. See it? It's on usually on the opposite end.
Yep.
And is this the room that wasn't getting warm?
Yeah, this was it.
All right. Well, you got to make sure you bleed it right there.
Yep. Yeah, that's.
But it's warm now.
Yeah, it is. Yep.
I got the heat back on downstairs and
Good now.
give it a minute. Yeah, it's cold in here, huh?
Yeah, it's. She hasn't had heat at all. Just the other room. I don't understand why it's one room and not the other.
Well, it's probably airbound.
Yeah, I took this bleeder screw off and let it just sit for a long time.
Yeah, it wouldn't hurt.
Yeah.
We don't know if that. We don't know if that. We know we got a good tank here. So we got a new expansion tank. New relief valve, purge zones. Circulator quieted down. I fixed the leak upstairs. I'm getting a nice, really getting toasty. What a flipping high limit's high. 200. 220. Yeah, it seems a little high. Turn the high limit down a little bit. I mean, put it at 190. Don't need it that hot. That's fine. I turn your high limit down a little bit to 190 because we were at 220. I mean, that's really high. So I turned it down to 190. 180 is fine. 190 is fine. I mean, it'll be all right.
So
This water should evaporate.
Yeah, it will. Yeah. So I shouldn't have to bleed the rate.
Shouldn't have to do anything. I mean, this is reading 25 pounds, but we don't know how accurate this is.
Yeah.
I got the new relief valve. That's set at 30, so if it starts dripping, which it shouldn't, I got a new tank in there, new relief valve.
Yeah.
You shouldn't have to shut the. You need to leave the feeder on. All the zones have been purged. We'll get that leak fixed upstairs. I think that's it.
Yeah.
And you got the date and the tag. What I did there.
Yep.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's my friend. That's my buddy, Miss Molly. Hey, hello. Hello there, Miss Molly. How's my buddy doing? Huh? You missed Daddy. I know you missed me. I know you missed me. Yeah, you missed me. I could tell. Yeah, I know you missed me. I could tell you missed me. Look at the tail go. You miss me? Oh, I know it. I know it. I know it. Come on, go girl. Let her rip. Let her rip. Come on, good girl. Come on, good girl. I don't want you peeing on my seat. Come on. Go ahead. Good girl.